Part 2, the Hiccup Sneeze Showdown. You won't believe what happens next. The next morning, Peter woke up determined to solve his problem. He searched online for remedies. Peter, reading aloud, hold your breath, easy enough. He inhaled deeply, held it for 3 seconds, and explode! A lamp fell off the table. Next, he tried sipping water upside down. That only made him hiccup sneeze so hard that his dog ran out of the house. Desperate, Peter visited the school nurse, Nurse Betty. This calls for drastic measures. Take this peppermint. Peter popped the peppermint in his mouth and felt a tingle. For a moment, the hiccup sneezes stopped. Peter, it worked! But just as he celebrated, the school's annual talent show started. Peter decided to attend and cheer for his classmates. But halfway through Emily's juggling act, he felt a *hic* rising. Peter, no, no, no! But it was too late. Hexplode! The sneeze sent Emily's juggling balls flying into the crowd. One bounced off Principal Harris's head, who groaned, "Not again!" By the end of the night, Peter had unintentionally turned the talent show into slapstick chaos. Surprisingly, everyone loved it. Principal Harris, announcing. And the winner of tonight's talent show is Peter for his improvisational comedy. Peter couldn't believe it. His hiccup sneezes weren't a curse. They were a gift. From that day on, Peter became the school's accidental class clown.